I got to play with the welder and the cutoff saw this week. With these racks. I made these tool holders in this rack, which I'll show you one that's finished over here. It's for holding these gigantic keys for shutting water and stuff off. So put these big pipes so they can put the tools in it. And I got this big giant one. That's what we're putting in the one I just finished over there. I gotta stick it outside and put some paint on it. If I can find one of those keys that goes in here, just so you get an idea of what goes in there. We're all stacked up over here. Yeah, here they are. These guys right here. Big old keys. Like 8 feet long. So anyway, yeah, that's what I've been doing. There's the saw. So I got to get the painting and bolting this other one down. Hopefully I can get it done before the end of the day. So anyway, alright, see you guys. Have a good weekend.